Hey guys, before, I didn't know anything about programming. I thought it was really complicated and only for experts. But now, I can create a crypto trading bot without writing a single line of code. And trust me, if I can do it, you can totally do it too. Just follow a few simple steps that I'll show you in this video. Let's go. Before watching this video, make sure you've checked out the previous videos in this series. First, go to Google and type FileZilla. Click on the first result. Then, select the client version. After that, click Download. Since I've already installed this software on my computer, I won't be repeating the installation process. After installing, open the FileZilla software. FileZilla is a free and user-friendly FTP client used for transferring files between your computer and a server. Now let's establish a connection to the VPS where the bot is hosted. Copy the IP address of your VPS and input it into FileZilla using the format sftp//IP address. In the username field, type root. Then paste the password into the password field. Then click Quick Connect. I can't log in, probably because there was an error while copying the password. Since this is a newly created VPS, the password is complex and hard to remember. I will change it by accessing the VPS using PuTTY. Now I will log in using the default password. After logging in for the first time, I will change the password to something more memorable. After successfully changing the password, we will use this new password to log in to FileZilla. We have now successfully established a connection to the VPS via FileZilla. Next, we click the period button to navigate to the parent directory on the server. We will create a directory to store the bot here by right-clicking and selecting Create Directory, then naming it Bot. Then we enter this directory by double-clicking on it. Now, we will create the bot by creating a file named demo.py in this directory. This file will contain the code for the bot. You can use a text editor like Notepad to open the demo.py file. When you first open it, the file will be empty. To run the bot, you'll need to write the necessary code inside the file. And the tool we'll use to write the code today is ChatGPT. Now let's ask it to help us write a function in Python to check the account balance. And here's the result. ChatGPT generated the code very quickly. It instructs us to first install the Binance library. To proceed with installing the library, open PuTTY. Navigate to the bot directory by typing cd/bot. Next, open a new tab in ChatGPT. Now let's ask ChatGPT to guide us in creating a virtual environment named MyEnv on Ubuntu. Creating a virtual environment like MyEnv isolates project dependencies, preventing conflicts with other projects or system packages, and we will install the libraries within this environment. To install, simply follow ChatGPT's instructions. Just copy and paste the commands. It's that easy. Alright, now let's try refreshing in FileZilla to check the results. And now we see the mynv directory, meaning the virtual environment has been successfully created. Now let's activate the environment using the command source mynv/bin/activate. Now let's go back to the bot code, open ChatGPT, and ask it to write a function to check the account balance on the Binance Futures testnet. Next, we'll install the necessary libraries. Here's the bot code. Copy it and save it into the demo.py file. Replace API key and secret key with the keys you find in your Binance Futures testnet account. Then, don't forget to press Ctrl+S to save the file, and select Yes in FileZilla to upload the changes. Finally, to run the bot, simply type python demo.py. Currently, there seems to be an error in the code. It looks like ChatGPT may have made a mistake while writing it. But don't worry, just copy the error message and paste it into ChatGPT to let it handle the issue. Then, simply follow its instructions, copy the updated code, and make the necessary changes. And here's the result. Currently, we have 15,009 USDT in the account. That's an accurate number. With this approach, you can leverage ChatGPT to transform your trading ideas into actual code. Remember, the best way to learn is by experimenting and testing on your own. That's it for this video. Start exploring, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!